Okay, so the second movement drill from seated guard is a rolling inversion. It's just a half Granby roll. So I'll just show it as a solo drill to start with. So from a seated guard position, and then I put my hand on the mat or into this kind of staggered seated guard position. If my opponent was passing to my left, which means my right hand's on the mat, all I'm going to do is drop to my right shoulder and cross my feet. I'm going to use my crossed feet and I'm pushing on the ball of my right foot to come up onto my right shoulder. And now from here I'm just going to Granby roll halfway from my right shoulder to my left shoulder. And then I'm going to open my legs and put them between the guard. Obviously a full inversion from this position would be across my shoulders and all the way to the other side. Yeah. So from here, as I drop my shoulder to the mat, we'd be inverting all the way over. But in this drill, we're only going halfway. The goal is to keep the person between our legs. So from our position, as he cuts the corner, I cross my feet, I'm dropping onto my right shoulder. I'm using that right toe to come up on my shoulders, and then I only roll halfway, open my legs, and I put them into the guard. Let's put it into a partner drill. Tyrone's here. So maybe I'm in a seated guard position like this. Tyrone moves to my right, which means my right hand's on the mat, and maybe, I didn't reset. From there now, I want to reset. Once he passes to here, I'm back to seated guard. So now if he moves that way, I can quickly keep him here. But maybe as he moves this way, and now I've cut the angle before I've got back to butterfly guard. So the minute that's happened, and again, Tyrone's going to be closing the distance, I'm crossing my feet and moving over. And now I'm just going to put him back in guard. I'll be in a supine position again. So again, we're here. He cuts the angle. I've scooted back. He gets his angle back, and now I wasn't able to butt scoot back, especially when he gets this close, because now I'm still kind of with the wrong leg forward. So from there I drop to my shoulder, I'm going to cross my feet, invert, and now I'm back into a position again. One more time on that. And just playing around will give you the sensitivity for that as he butt scoops across, and we're in our position. As he gets close, I just put him back in the guard. So that is a half inversion, and that's our second movement drill. Boom.